So if you want to get an extra battery for your Hero 11, Hero 10, Hero 9, Hero 12, just future-proofing this video, you should check this out. It comes in from TELESIN, and they're putting up their Dukes against the GoPro Enduro battery. So the big things to know about this battery, it's a 1,720 milliamp hour battery, which is the same as the Enduro. It works in extreme low temperatures down to -20 Celsius. So if you're out skiing or snowboarding or somewhere where it's really cold and you have the old GoPro batteries or third-party batteries, you'll notice that they either won't work or it will take forever for it to start up, but not with this. This thing will work in that extreme cold. And with the Enduro, they actually kind of brag about -10 degrees Celsius. And this one, -20. I have no idea what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's cold. And these batteries are also fast charging, so there's two ways that you can do fast charging with it. If you have it just in your GoPro going off the USB-C, this thing will charge up really quickly, or you can use some of their fast charging cases like this one right here, which is really cool. It's got 3 battery slots right here. It doesn't have any built-in battery, but because you use your batteries in it, it will actually display right here how much battery you have in it. Also, you have little SD card holders. That's pretty cool too. So it's a really nice and sleek little battery charger, but you can also use their fast charging case like this right here, or this one right here that also has a power bank built into it, so you can use that. So with fast charging, that means you can go from 0 to 65% in 30 minutes, and you can get a full charge in just 80 minutes. And they've done a lot of testing with this thing in different environments, and it's basically on par with the Enduro battery. So if you are looking for a good third-party battery that will compete against the GoPro batteries, this is the one to get. It lasts longer than any third-party battery out there by almost doubling the time at 4K 120 frames per second. And at 4K 60, it'll add an extra 20 minutes to it. But also some of those third-party batteries, it'll say like, that's a third-party battery. It's not gonna work that great. Well, this one, you won't get that pop-up because it does work that great.